You will all agree with me that headband and turban is going viral and is trendy right now. Everybody, even if you are a Muslim or you're not a Muslim, or you used to cover your head, everybody is using turban. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make this front knot head turban that I'm wearing. As you can see, I'm going to be showing you how to make this front knot head turban. It is so easy to make and you can make it in 10 minutes. So for this video, for this satin head wrap, you are going to be needing a satin fabrics. As you can see, you are going to be needing a satin fabrics for this video. This is a satin fabrics and that is what you are going to be needing. And then you are going to be needing your sewing machine, your needle and thread, and your tape rule. So I'm going to be explaining in detail video now. Thank you. And if this is your first time of joining us, please click the subscribe button and give us a like on this video if you find it helpful and well detailed. Thank you so much. Welcome back. For the sake of this video, we're going to be using satin, just as I mentioned before. And for this video, we are going to be needing 1 yard of satin. Though you're not going to be using it, even 1 yard, you can use it to make 2. So you're going to be needing 1 yard of satin. So for the length, after folding, you are going to fold it into 2. And when you fold it into 2, the measurement that you want for your length will be 12.5, and that's 25. Then for the width, you want to use 30 inches. That's your head circumference plus 8 inches. So if your head circumference is 22, you want to add 8 inches, that's 32. Then I add extra 2 inches to my own because I'm going to be using rubber. You know, it's not a stretchy fabric, so I'm still going to be putting rubber elastic at the back. So that's it. So let's go to the machine now and sew down the one side. That's the width. So this is it. After sewing it down, as you can see, you turn it right side. So I'm turning it right side, just the way you are seeing right here. You turn it right side and iron. There was no light, so I could not iron it while doing this video, and I don't want to stop doing the video, so I just go with it. So after turning it right, you make sure that the sewing is at the back, just the way you are seeing right here. The sewing is at the back, and then you iron it out to make it look nice. This space is not flat enough, so I had to move it to the floor. So now we are going to be tying the knot. I want you to pay close attention to here on how I did it. You are going to be tying the knot. Depend on how big you want your knot to be. I only tied mine once, but when you want to do yours, you can tie it twice or 3 times. And then you are going to be turning the flat place, the place that don't have joining, to the upper part. As you can see, is the one that is going to be outside. As you can see in the video, I'm trying to arrange my knots and then use it. I don't want it to be too tight so that it can still look nice and good. So the next thing is you want to bring it together. I'm showing you how it is. Can you see it? After knotting it, then you want to bring it together and you want to pin down. You want to pin it down. You're going to be pinning one side down because we're going to be sewing one side and the other side will be open. That's where we are going to be using I've already sew it down. So the other part that is still open, that's where I'm going to be adding my elastic. So when you want to add this elastic, you want to use, I use 4 inches for my elastic. So you want to go in by 6 inches, and then you are going to be stitching your elastic down on the machine. So when you stitch it down, just the way you are seeing, you are going to be dragging it to the end, to the mouth. Just watch what I did, you are going to understand. Can you see it? You drag it to the down, and then you stitch that place too. The reason why we are adding elastic to this turban cap is because I'm using a satin. So when you use a satin for this type of project, it's going to be a little bit tight to wear it without the rubber. So it's the rubber that is going to make it adjustable for you, just the way you see. And then you sew it down. You can use a tiny rubber if you don't want it to be visible that there's rubber at the back. And then for this project, you can use a stretchy material. So many videos I've seen they use stretchy material, but I just think this as a material is going to be unique, and it's actually unique because it's very beautiful. The headscarf is very beautiful. So you're going to be sewing it down just the way you're seeing it here. For the final stage, you are going to be adding this pin. You're going to be making a pleat at the back, and after that, that's all. So please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. Give us a thumbs up and on your notification bell so you can always be the first to receive our notification that when we drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching till this stage, to the end. Thank you so much. Love you. Now let's see the final outlook. Can you see the final look? It's looking beautiful. I really like the fabrics I used. The fabric is very good. Can you see? That's the front knot, and that's the back. Can you see? It is adjustable. Thank you.